I'm going to show you how to make balloon cherries. First, you need 2 5-inch balloons in the color of your cherry. Then you need 2 260 balloons in the color of your stem. So the first thing you're going to do is I use a hand pump for this. Blow up your 260 balloons. And you're not going to blow it up too terribly far. You want more of the tail, kind of like this. Tie it in. Okay, let's do the other one. Same thing. Okay. Then you're going to take this and you're going to tie that together. So you're tying the neck of the balloon to the extra. You're going to do that with your other one as well. Now you've got your 2. You're going to tie those together. And that's going to make your stem. Now you're going to get your 5-inch balloons. Now, I overinflate it first, then underinflate it more than you think. When you tie it, get that hole as close to the end of your neck as possible, because this is the hard part. You're going to push your neck in until you can see the neck right here. You're going to grab it so that it's like this, twist, and then you're going to grab your stem and you're going to tie the end of your stem onto that little area we just grabbed, like this. So they hang like this. Now, alternatively, for a cherry, you could just blow your balloon up and round it out. And there's kind of the difference. I'll tie this. So you could have a cherry that looks like this, or a cherry that looks like this. If you want to have one that looks like this, you're going to tie your stem around this as is. But if you want this look, I'm going to show you one more time. You take your neck, you push it down. See, and I overinflated this one. You push it in until you can see it pop through. You have to grab it, pull your finger out, twist a couple times, and grab your end. And this takes some serious dexterity. The first time I tried to do these, not only did it kill my fingers, but it took me a really long time to figure out. But once you do, you get these super cute balloon cherries. And I actually tied these in the 260, but I actually recommend tying it neck to neck. If you tie it neck to neck, that'll keep your stems straight.
Archer, can you go sit down over there on the chairs, please? While you're
Chairs are so put together.